Hello everyone, welcome back to my class. This is grade 5th math. In today's video, let us solve exercise 8.4, page number 140. First bit, find the area of the figures given below. Each square equals to 1 square centimeter. Each square equals to 1 square centimeter. So we have to find the area of the figure. So here how many squares are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How we have to count this? We have to count this pink color complete figure. Okay, so this pink color complete figure we have to count how many squares are they. Okay, so here each square equals to 1 square centimeter. So we have to count this complete figure. So here how many square are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 square are there. So now what we have to do? We have to find the area of the figures. Okay. So let us solve this. So exercise 8.4, first one, given that. So exercise 8.4, first one, given that number of whole square equals to 15. Okay, so number of whole square equals to 15. So we have counted there are how many square in this figure? First figure 15. Okay, number of whole squares equals to 15. So total we have to find the area. So total area equals to 15 into 1 square centimeter. Okay, so here each square equals to 1 square centimeter. So 15 into 1. So 15 into 1 square centimeter equals to 15 square centimeter. Okay, so this is first one A figure. Next first one B. Okay, so this is figure B. So we have to count this. How many squares are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so 7 square. Here given that number of whole square equals to 7. Okay, so given that number of whole square equals to 7, so total area equals to 7 into 1 square centimeter. So 7 ones are 7 square centimeter. Okay, so this is the answer. Total area. So total area equals to 7 to 1 square centimeter. So 7 ones are 7. 7 square centimeter. Similarly, you do the remaining problem. Only you have to count these squares and you have to find the area. Okay, so with this we have completed our exercise 8.4. Okay, now let us learn volume of a cuboid. This is page number 141. To find the volume of a cuboid of length, so they have given here length 4 centimeter, breadth 3 centimeter and height 2 centimeter. Count the number of unit cubes, it comes out to be 24. Okay, if we count this unit cube, it comes out to be 24. Okay, so if we count the number of unit cubes, it comes out to be 24. So the volume of cuboid is 24 cubic centimeter. So here volume of cuboid equals to 24 cubic centimeter. Okay, so if we count this, it will come out to be 24. So if you count the unit cubes, it comes out to be 24. So the volume of cubite is 24 cubic centimeter. If we find the product of the length, breadth and height. Okay, so if we find the product of the length, comma, breadth and height, it comes out to be 4 centimeter into 3 centimeter into 2 centimeter. So 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24. So 24 cubic centimeter. Okay. So here we are finding the product of length, breadth and height. So here length is 4 centimeter, breadth is 3 centimeter and height is 2 centimeter. Product is nothing but we are multiplying. So 4 centimeter into 3 centimeter into 2 centimeter. 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24 cubic centimeter. So turn your page. The product is the same as the volume. So volume of a cubite equals to length into breadth into height. So this is the formula. Volume of a cubite equals to length into breadth into height. Volume of a cubite equals to length into breadth into height. So example 12. Find the volume of a cubite of length 8 centimeter, breadth 4 centimeter and height 6 centimeter. So volume equals to length into breadth into height. Volume equals to length 8 centimeter, breadth 4 centimeter, height 6 centimeter. So 8 4s are 32. So 8 4s are 32. 32 into 6. 32 into 6. 6 2s are 12. 2 here, 1 carry here. 6 3s are 18 plus 1 19. So 192 cubic centimeter. So this is the answer. Same here. So 192 cubic centimeter. So this is the formula. Volume of cubite we have applied here. So we got the answer. Okay. So today's session is enough. I'll stop here. So in the next class I will be doing the continuation of the remaining concept. Thank you.